besides that, I want y'all to have fun. So try to be quiet, try to talk a lot. If you have questions, raise your hand. I'll get them to you when I can, okay? Yep. All right, well, y'all came to hear some fire. Let's see some fire. First things first, obviously fire is very hot. It's dangerous. I have this protection I always wear so that way I don't get burned and I stay safe. First things first, we have normal fire, right? We have this fire in here. It's pretty basic. Y'all see it all the time. It's what you'll see lighter. Y'all see it under your kitchen sometimes, anywhere. However, what would happen if we were to add a little flare to it, add some chemicals to it? We're going to see that real quick, all right? So we have our first chemical here. This is chemical number 1. Keep that in mind, chemical number 1. And we're going to play around with it a little bit, all right? So, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, the face shield going down for protection. Normal fire, nothing crazy. However, if I were to spray this, as y'all see, you get a little bit bigger fire, a little bit more, nothing crazy. We have a little bit of that color y'all saw. It's a little bit fire. It's a little bit bigger, but it happens quick. It happens fast. It's almost like a little reaction. However, this is our first one. I'll leave our third stroke to see. We're going to try number 2 now, all right? Tell me what y'all see, okay? So same exact situation. Face mask on, going down. Same exact lighter. Different chemical this time. All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, and 1. As y'all can see, it's really bright, it's really hot. Some of y'all up here can probably smell it, maybe feel it a little bit. It's really hot, really big. Yes, what's your question? It looks like flames because it is flames. It's really big, really hot, really big. Right. It looks like fire. We're making a little controlled fires here. However, my friends, that was chemical number 2. Pretty big, a lot bigger than this one. Y'all ready for this last one? Y'all can probably guess a little bit what's going to happen. Obviously, it could be a little green. Y'all ready to see? Let's find out. First things first, same exact thing like I said. Lighter going in hand. Chemical, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. It has that green, a little light color, and this one is green because we just mix some extra stuff into it. Makes it that nice cool color. However, my friends, this color fire is also the hottest, it's the most dangerous. You gotta be a little more careful around it. So unfortunately, we can't use this one for some of our experiments today. However, we will be using that second chemical y'all saw. That one was a lot bigger, a lot brighter, and a lot hotter. So for our first experiment today, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna play around with the shape of fire a little bit. I'm gonna take this out. I have a little container here, basically, and we're gonna spray some of the fuel in there. This is that second fuel y'all saw. We're gonna spray about a good 5 to 10 squirts in there. And from there, we're gonna take it, move it over here, place it in this container, and we're gonna light on fire. And from this point on, it's pretty basic. It's a normal fire. Y'all are used to seeing it. It's nothing crazy. However, if I were to start spinning it, it's gonna suck up the oxygen and make it grow bigger and bigger and bigger to where it comes up the top. And if I stop it, it's going to go back down. If I spin it the other way, maybe, it's going to keep growing and growing and growing. And at any point, these gloves are super good, super nice. So at any point, these gloves, I can just grab the fire like that. It goes out. I don't feel anything. These gloves, super good, like I said. So that was our first little experiment. I've been playing around with fire a little bit, having a little bit of fun. However, if you are paying special close attention, y'all know fire makes a really cool noise when I light it. When I was doing those spray models, y'all saw that fire made noise. So we're going to play around with that noise just a little bit. I have a little container here, really small, really tiny, extremely tiny actually. And we're going to spray some more chemical in here. This one's a little bit quiet. Y'all got to listen very carefully. That's what I said. So we're going to spray a little bit, mix it, nothing crazy. Place it on here. And we're going to light it here. It happens real fast and it's really tiny. So be ready. 3, 2, 1. Obviously, nothing crazy, a little fire in there. However, y'all probably agree with this as well. To me, that was kind of lame. It was kind of small. Nothing crazy really happened. However, I'm going to do something a lot bigger for y'all and a lot more explosive-wise. We're going to take this container here and do the same thing. So, we're going to take like a lot of this chemical here. We're going to spray about 15 to 20 squirts. And my friends, just so y'all know, this can get a little noisy. So if any of y'all are noise sensitive, I would plug your ears during this. It can get a little bit loud. You don't like loud? Cover your ears then. It's not going to be too loud. You don't have to worry. It's just a little bit. So y'all ready? So same exact situation as the other one. Mix it around. Mix, mix, mix. And we're going to take it back here. Obviously, safety gear this time. And we're going to take this one, hold it here so it doesn't move. And are y'all ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Obviously, it's a lot later. It's not noisy. See, I told you y'all be fine. It's not that noisy. Y'all be good. That happens a lot. This thing's going to slowly burn out, slowly fuse out. It's a little warm to the touch. Nothing crazy. However, for this last experiment, my friends, if you want to stand up at the front here, you'll get a better view.
Okay.
At the end of all my fire shows, I have to clean off this area. It's pretty nasty, pretty disgusting after all these shows. There's a whole bunch of these chemicals on it. And there's only really one way I can get rid of these chemicals, and that's by spraying more of them on there and getting them all to burn away. So the way I do that, obviously, we're going to spray a little bit. If you've ever been to hibachi, it's kind of a little bit like this thing. We're going to spray. And y'all probably going to smell some stuff, feel the heat a little bit. Y'all be all good. Don't even worry about it. We're going to light it there. It's going to slowly burn out, and as you'll see, it'll start to grow and grow bigger. And as you'll see that fire, it gets nice and big for y'all. And that's going to slowly burn away. And ladies and gentlemen, that was my fire show. I hope you guys have fun.